How to trade gold on MetaTrader 5. What is up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to trade gold on the MetaTrader app. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right in. So the very first thing you want to do is have the MetaTrader 5 app installed on your device. You can find this app on both Google Play Store and App Store. So once you have downloaded the app, make sure to log into your account. Now once you are successfully logged in, you just want to have to go on the codes tab. So here you'll find all of the displays of your currencies. So what you want to do is, if you want to add codes, you just tap on the plus icon. Then from here you just head over to the metals folder. So just tap on metals. Now as you can see, here are different options like gold versus USD, gold versus euro, gold versus Australian dollar, silver versus USD, silver versus euro, palladium, and many more. So for example, if I just tap on the gold versus US dollar, I'm just going to tap on this and that will be added to my display right on home screen. So you can just go back. Now you will find this option right here that you just added. So you can just tap on it, and then from here you can just click on new order. And if you want to purchase it, you can just click on buy. And then if you just want to sell this, you can just go to new order and tap on the sell option. So as you can see, the market is currently closed, but if the market is open, you can just place an order for this. That's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video.